I have an idea. I bought this moon light thing, and it's pretty cool because it shows the phases of the moon, but unfortunately it only works by you setting it manually by pushing the button on this remote right here. And I'm gonna modify it so that it talks to the internet and actually sets the moon to what the actual phase of the moon is. This is the inside. As you can see, there's some LEDs right there, and that's how it lights up the moon phases. I've got it completely apart, and I've got this Uno right here that I'm going to put some LEDs on, get them mounted in that, and then the Uno is going to be the brains of the operation. Got all the LEDs mounted in now, super awesomely. Now it's time to hook up the Arduino and then start coding. Alright, so I've got everything hooked up. I had to order some resistors for the LEDs. I'm about to turn it on for the first time and see what it does. I wrote a quick little program for it. It'll just cycle through every LED one at a time. So let's click start and see what it does. Uploading, there it goes. And it's kind of hard to tell because it's too bright in here, but it looks like it's cycling through all the LEDs. Means it worked. All right, now that we have it all built, it's time to start programming the thing. So I did a little bit of research before I started making this video, and I found this guy on the internet. Let me bring it down so that it's in the recording, that wrote a lunar phase function already for the Arduino, and it's cool, but there are a few changes that I want to make to it to make it work for me. So I'm actually going to steal this portion of his code, and we're going to put it in Sublime and format it. I don't remember how to auto format in Sublime. Edit, line, re-indent. That didn't work at all. Alright, looks like we get to do some manual indenting. We're going to take this bad boy and we're going to paste it right into our Arduino code. Oh no, why did the Arduino just die on me? That's cool. Okay. didn't paste. Cool. Didn't die this time. Let's make this a little bit bigger. I'm going to save this so that we don't lose our work if it crashes again. Moon phases. All right, so the first thing we need to do is we need to figure out what light corresponds to which pen, because I did not take note of that when I plugged it all together. I just kind of threw it together because I just wanted to get to the programming part. So in our loop, what we're going to do is we're going to just do one pin at a time. So 13, make sure it's all good, cool. And then we're going to upload it to the Arduino. Now only one light should be flashing, which it is. Let me turn off the light so it's easier to see. Alright, so hopefully you can see that. I don't know if the screen's too bright for this camera though. Doesn't look like it. Alright. So now we know that 13 is the, I'm going to number them actually. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have 6 lights. So 1, 2, 1, 2, this is light 5. So 13 equals 5. And 12, upload that, see what light changes. 12 is 3? Yeah, 3. So 12 is LED number 3. And then 11, upload that. Up 11 is light number, LED number 1. 10 is LED number 6. 9 is LED number 2. 8 should be the last one. 6. Oh no, 5. Whatever one we haven't done yet. 1, 2, 3, no, 4. Yeah. 8 is 4. And then I want to actually number put these in order. On here. 1 first. 2. Probably would have been easier if I just took care when I was hooking this all up, but I didn't do that. So here we are. Alright, so now we're going to write another function that is void. And we're going to call this so I want to label, like, I want to create like waxing, waning. I don't know how I would do that though. Void. So we're going to call this one left, because it's going to be the leftmost part of it, because it's going to be used twice, not necessarily just for waxing or waning. So left, if we do left, we want pin 11, because that's our leftmost one, to be high. And that will turn on the leftmost one. I might just say left 1. Yeah, let's do left 1. Void left 2. And this will turn on 11 and 9. left 3. I'll add 3 or 12 to it. 12. And then left 4. Actually, that's not 12. This is half. Left half. Alright, we'll just keep it left 3. Left 3. Left 4. It's going to be the same thing, but instead of 12, it's going to be 8. And then left 5. It's going to add 13. And then left 6 is going to add 10. And then we need to do it backwards. So I think naming these left didn't make sense. I'm going to say phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, because it's not going to just be from the left, it's going to be from the left or the right, if that makes sense. Phase 4, phase 5, phase 6, phase, oh, this is a full moon, 11, 9, 12, 8, oh shit, this is 13, yeah, this is 13, and this is a full moon. So this needs to be 13 as well. I skipped over 8, or 10. I skipped over 13. It's 8, 13, 10. 11, 11, 9, 9, 12, 12, 8, 8, 13, 13, and then 10. And this is actually a full moon. It's when all the lights are on. And then I might actually leave this because I can, I'm going to keep that as full moon. Phase in 6 is going to be 11 low. Oh, we have to put all of these in here every time, don't we? We do. Yeah. So we're gonna keep this in here like this. We have to go back through all these, because this should actually be this with these all saying low. Because this will turn those lights off. Yep, and then high, high, low, low, low. And then high, 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 low, low, low. I'm singing. My AC is broken upstairs and it is very, very hot in here. High, low, low. And then this needs to be all but this one. And this is all of them are high. How did I fuck this up? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Phase 6 is all high. So this is our full moon. I don't know how I did this, but I did. And this is going to be phase N5, and it's going to be opposite of that. So this is low. 5, 4, low. 1 low. And then this last one is new moon with all of them off. New moon. Alright. Wow. That was really, really silly. So I can actually do that cycle pen function. This was just me playing around with it earlier. So in our loop, we can do this. We can do phase_1. Is it sleep in this, whatever this language is? We're gonna try sleep. Sleep 1000. Arduino sleep. Is it delay? It is, it's delay. Delay. And then, oops, these all need semicolons. I can actually take this and then boop, 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 boop. So we're going to do phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5, new_moon, phase N1, no, N5, N4, N3, N2, N1. I know this is all messed up, or the tabs are all wiggity woggity. This is new moon. Let's check it. Alright, now what we should see is it go through all the cycles of the moon. Oh, I didn't turn on the last one. Did I skip one? Phase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Didn't full moon. Why did it not full moon? Because I tipped new moon, it's full moon. You doofus. Alright, now it should do it properly. Didn't new moon for very long though, because I didn't put a delay behind it. Let's just see what this looks like, because I want to see it all the way through. Now it should do it very greatly, amazingly. Amazing. Alright, so now we got that working. So we know how to go through all the phases of the moon. We're going to start using this function that I stole. Which I'm blindly trusting that it knows if I put in the year, month, and day, that it's going to know exactly what phase it is, because I do not know how to calculate the phase of the moon. And I don't actually want it to return it a float. I want it to return a, is it string? Arduino. What language is an Arduino written in? What language is Arduino written in? C, C++. Okay. Declare string in C. And I'm just gonna say Arduino. I know you guys can't see this. Maybe I'll pull it down. Maybe. And if I could spell declare, that's embarrassing. String. Declare strings. It is just string. Oh, it's char. Char. That's how we do it. Makes sense. It's gonna return char. So phase equals new, yeah. New. Waxing. See, the reason I don't like this is because it returns 50 for first quarter and 50 for last quarter, which is going to be this one and this one. So I don't want, I need to differentiate between the two. I guess I could have it just return like, I don't like that. I was going to say have it return 2.50 or something. Waxing crescent. Did we see? Oh, wait. I could just have this be void. Have it return nothing. And then have it run through this. So then this isn't actually doing any of this. Watch. This is what we're going to do. So if it's a new moon, instead of returning phase new, we're just going to have it call new moon. Waxing crescent. I don't know what one that is, but I found this. Not this. This. So waxing crescent. So we start at new, we go to waxing crescent. So that's the first boy on the right, which is our N, right? Yeah, we're gonna call that the N. So it's gonna be everything low except 10, so phase N1. Phase N1. And then this is getting more illuminated, so this is going to be phase N2, phase N3, oh man, 4, 5, and then full. This AG number is growing every time. We could put something in between all of these. So this is new moon, or full moon. Full moon. We could put, let's do calculator. And we're gonna do, we need to fit 2 more in here. Let's do one right after new moon so it stays lit more. So let's do 5.53699 minus 1.84566 divided by 2. No. I'm actually gonna make this easy because these numbers are like super rounded. Put another phase right here. Shit. Why do these all say and phase equals 0? Oh, because he's got a greater than here. We have to keep those phase numbers in there. Actually, no, we could just do instead of that. Let's undo, redo all that. Redo. Set equals false. Set equals true. If not set, put all these in here. Oops. Yeah, this will work. And not set, and not set, 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 and phase is not set. We don't actually need to worry about this. This is the default. This is just going to return true. None of these are ever true. Alright. So we're putting 1 between 1 and 5. We're going to go 3.4. 3.4. This is going to give us phase N1. Give us phase N2, phase N3, phase N4, and then we'll just stick another one in here between full moon. Wait a minute, why am I doing this? We just do 16 divided by 6. 16 divided by 6 and make them all equal. So every 2.66 we can do 2.66 plus 2.66 5.32 plus 2.66 is 7.98. So that's 99. I didn't round any of those right. Plus 2.66, 10.65, 10.65. Plus 2.66 is 13.31. It's 2.66. 15.97. What is this number? 16? $15.97 plus 2.66. 18. So now we're jumping too high. Did I fuck this whole thing up? What was this number originally? 16? Oh, that's not that far off. 15, 16. Oh, it's because this one is it. Worst case, it's going to be off by a few days. Phase in 5. And then we got a full moon. after that. We have to start counting down the other guys. So this is going to be phase 5. Actually, we need to do 15.97 plus 2.66, 18.63. That's this guy right here. 18.63 plus 2.66 is 21.29. This will be 4, 3, 2, and then phase 1 will be, oh no, we need a phase 1 and then so 21.29 is phase 5. Actually, let's just change these before I forget, and then we'll do the math after that. 2, 1, and this is going to be new moon. Yay! Now we just gotta set these numbers right. Gotta keep adding 2.66. It's 23. 2u. 23.95. 26. Wow, we are like, oh no, these are all copy pasted. That's 2.66. 29.27. And then if it's not set, it's going to be a new note. Okay. Cool. So now we need to put on here oh, this is exactly what I want. I wish I would have just found this to begin with. Is this a library in here? Sketch. New library. Nope. Time. Okay, how do I get it? That's the next question. Okay, it says it's on GitHub. 3 releases. Stable release. Zip. Can I just use this zip right here? I'm going to assume yes. We're just going to copy this bad boy over here into our libraries folder. I'm going to rename this as time. We're going to do that. And we're going to go to Sketch and include. Do I need to restart my Arduino software? I'm dying, it's so hot in here. Sketch, include time. Yes. Yes. Alright. Back. Let's say on here. Store the current time in the time t variable. So let's just call set time. Oh, this is way easier to use. Look at this. Look at this. We can even use these bad boys here. I wonder if I need to do it in setup. Set time, hour, hours, minutes, seconds, day, month, and year. So then can I do day, month, and year? I need to return a 2-digit year though. Year, month, day. Is that how I call it? No. Let's just see if this compiles before I go. Day was not declared in this scope. An example. Do I need to do like timelib dot whatever? Ah, stop opening that. Timelib time dot set time. We're gonna try that. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna try that. Check. How do I use this? I don't know how to use this. For example. Oh wait, there was an example in there. Wasn't there? Examples. Time RTC, what does this do? Setup. So this is, oh wait, are they all lowercase? Did I do it in uppercase? Is that what I did wrong? Oh my god. I'm so used to clicking IntelliJ, it's just what I do. Year, month, day, check. Read declares a different kind of symbol. Minutes. Minutes. My day, my month, my year. My day, my month, my year. Check. Holy moly. Send it. Alright, so right now it thinks that it is a waxing crescent. What is the current moon phase? Is a waxing crescent. I did it. We're done. I'm hot. We did it. So now all I have to do is, if I was to unplug it in like a month, just come in here and reset the month or the day, and it should just set the moon phase to what it actually is outside. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, I am not a C++ guy at all. That was really my first time doing anything with C++, but we did eventually get it working. If you guys have any other questions, drop them in the comments.